Assalamu alaikum and welcome. You're watching Real English News along with your host Sharif Ikram Yamani. Let's have a look on today's top headlines. HRD Minister, that is Smriti Irani, stresses on need for securing dignity of labor. Sunanda Pushkar death stunned by Delhi police murder claims, says Shashi Tharoor. Say hello to Dubai's latest world record, a 5-kilometer long handmade gold chain. KTR leaves for Kerala to attend meet. Coal strike may not have much impact on production, says Singarani Collieries. Harish wants airport at Kottagudam. Batting for giving respectability to the skills program, HRD, that is Educational Minister Smriti Irani, today said the initiative can become successful only when a library is receive dignity of work.
नए वर्ष में एक नए संकल्प के साथ शिक्षा को नई दिशा देने का प्रयास आज से शुरू हो रहा है। हमने चॉइस बेस्ड क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर सिस्टम्स और क्रेडिट फ्रेमवर्क, प्रधानमंत्री जी का ये सपना था कि कक्षा 9 से लेकर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन तक क्या ये संभव है कि स्किल को रिकग्नाइज करते हुए हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को और चॉइसेस दें। आज सभी राज्यों से अपील की है कि सभी राज्य की जितनी भी यूनिवर्सिटीज और कॉलेजेस हैं उसमें ये लागू हो जाए।
Congress MP, that is Shashi Tharoor, on Tuesday said he was stunned by the Delhi police claims that his wife Sunanda Pushkar was murdered by poisoning. The former union minister also demanded comprehensive investigation into Pushkar's death. I am also stunned to her that Delhi police have filed a case of murder against an unknown person and the demise of my late wife, that is Sunanda. Needless to say is that I am anxious and to see this case is investigated properly and continuously, whereas to assume the police of all the work is with me and full of cooperation. Tharoor also claimed that he has not been provided a copy of Pushkar's post-mortem report. He has not been provided with the copies of the post-mortem report and other reports of the inquiry like the CFSL report till death. Repeat, I request for a copy of this report to be provided to us immediately, he said. The police registered a case of murder in Pushkar's death, saying that the 39-year-old was poisoned, resulting in her unnatural death. No one has been named in the FIR yet. Sunanda Pushkar died of poisoning which was either given to her orally or injected inside her body. Delhi Police Commissioner, that is B.S. Basi, told reporters, "We're doing the needful and the inquiry is on." The AIMS Medical Board report stated unnatural death, he said. Pushkar was found dead in a 5-star hotel room in New Delhi on January 17, 2013. The hotel rooms where she was found dead was revisited by police and forensic department and experts recently. Suit had remained sealed and was opened for the first time since the incident for the visit. Last year in October, a medical board constituted by All India Institute of Medical Science to examine Pushkar's death was critical of the Delhi police for not vital organs like kidney, lung and liver were functioning normally and that her death was caused by a poison.
29/12 को हमारे को जो मेडिकल बोर्ड थी उसने रिपोर्ट दे दी थी। तो उस रिपोर्ट में जो मेन मुद्दा उन्होंने हमें ये बताया है कि डेथ जो है नंबर 1 अननेचुरल है, यानी कि नेचुरल डेथ नहीं है। दूसरा उन्होंने बताया है कि डेथ इज़ ड्यू टू पॉइजनिंग, और उसमें ये भी उन्होंने कहा है कि पॉइजनिंग जो है ये ओरली भी ली हो सकती है और इसके अलावा ये हो सकता है कि इंजेक्ट भी की गई हो। कि क्वांटम ऑफ जो पॉइजन की क्वांटिफिकेशन का काम इंडिया में नहीं हो सकता, उसके लिए हमें बाहर के विदेश में भी जो सैंपल्स है भेजने पड़ेंगे। तो ऑब्वियसली अननेचुरल डेथ के अंदर में जो धारा लगती है जब हम FIR दर्ज करते हैं 302 में, तो वो उसमें हमने FIR दर्ज कर दी है। हमारे को मालूम नहीं है कि अगर किसी ने जहर जो पी गई है क्या खुद पी गई या किसी ने जबरदस्ती पिलाई या जो इंजेक्शन लगा है, जो इंजेक्शन जबरदस्ती दिया गया है तो किस तरह से दिया गया, ये सब तफ्तीश में हमें पता चलेगा।
Dubai at DH22 million and more than 5 kilometer in length, a Guinness World Record, were asked to be claimed the world's longest handmade gold hand chain. More than 100 people worked 10 hours a day for weeks to make the 4 million individual segments of the 22 second and 22 carats gold, 5.52 kilometers long, the chain that set a new Guinness World Record on Monday. The Dubai celebration chain, which weighs in about 256 kilograms, forms the centerpiece of celebration organized by the Gold Dubai and Jewelry. It was painstaking task, but we have completed it, and we were very proud to add another world record to Dubai, said Chandu Siroya, managing director of Siroya Jewelers. The scale of task was immense, with more than 100 people working the long hours for 45 days to meet the January 5 deadline. However, it was not without its challenges and problems. With the original die casting, meaning the chains kept breaking before a solution was found by using 21 die casts. It's really is a beautiful chain, and I encourage people to go along and take a look at it over the next few days. Mr. Surya said, despite the challenges, it is not the first time that he has been involved with the successful world record. In 1999, a celebration that were along with the DSF, the jewelry boss helped to create the world's longest machine-made gold chain, at least of 4.28 kilometers. This time we wanted not only to break the record but set a completely new record, he said. Minister for Panchayat Raj and IT K. Tarakarama Rao, that is KTR, has left for Kerala on a 2-day official visit to attend a regional conference of rural development being conducted by the Union Panchayat Raj Ministry on January 6th. To deal with the linkage of National Employment Guarantee Scheme, the conference will be held in Kovalam in Kerala to be addressed by a Union Panchayat Raj Minister, that is Chaudhry Virendranath Singh, and Kerala Chief Minister Omen Chandy. KTR is likely to make a presentation on the occasion and will make effort to strengthen the Panchayat Raj system. Later, the KTR is likely to make minister and will make a field level visit to get first hand information on the system of Panchayat Raj in Kerala state. Besides Telangana, representative of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, Pondicherry, Goa, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep are attending the conference. Cabinet Minister for Irrigation, Marketing and Legislative Affairs for Telangana State, that is Mr. T. Harish Rao, on Tuesday argued Civil Aviation Minister, that is Ashok Gajpati Raju, to allow an airport near Kottagudam of Khammam district.
సూత్రప్రాయంగా కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం అంగీకరించినట్టయితే రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం నుంచి ల్యాండ్ గాని దానికి అవసరమైన అన్ని వసతులను మేము కల్పించడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాం. కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వ అనుమతి గురించి మేము అశోక్ గజపతి రాజు గారితో మాట్లాడడం జరిగింది.
Singariri Collieries Company, that is SSCL, the state-run coal miner, said on Tuesday that the coal production not have much impact for the strike by some trade unions. Whereas according to a senior official of SCCL, coal production from the mines will be in the range of rupees 1.5 lakh tons per day, and despite 50% of the workforce being on the strike, whereas the production will not be affected much as most of the mining is done in an open cast. We expect 50% workforce on duty today. We have deployed most of them in an open cast mine to minimize the impact on production. We may lose around 10,000 to 15,000 tons of coal production on an account of strike, according to an official report. Bearing Indian National Trade Union Congress, that is INTUC, and All India Trade Union Congress, that is AITUC, other coal unions are working today, that is Tuesday, and the situation in terms of attendance is expected to improve on Wednesday, according to a report. The trade unions on Tuesday began a 5-day coal industry strike in protest against disinvestment and restrictions of the state-run Coal India, and to press for the other demands, including the rollback of what they call process of demonetization of a coal sector. Meanwhile, the Telangana unit of Communist Party of India, that is CPI, in a statement, alleged that the government was trying to foil the strike by arresting some trades union leaders.
యాజమాన్యం కుట్రపూరితం అంటే ఒక ఆలోచన చేసుకొచ్చి ఒక పథకం ప్రకారము ఇంట్లో ఉన్న కార్మికుల ఫోన్ల ద్వారా మెసేజ్లు పెట్టి వారు భయభ్రాంతకు గురి చేస్తూ మరి పోలీసులను పెట్టి ఈ యొక్క బయలు నడపాలని చెప్పి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉంది. దీన్ని మేము ఐఎన్టీసీ పక్షం తీవ్రంగా ఖండిస్తున్నాం.
Let's have a look on today's sports news. Indian squad for 2015 ICC World Cup. An injured Ravindra Jadeja and young left arm spinner that is Akshar Patel were on Tuesday named in India's 15-member squad for the Cricket World Cup in Australia and New Zealand beginning next month. Full schedule for 2015 ICC World Cup. Team India will be launched their title defence against arch rivals that is Pakistan in Adelaide, while New Zealand face Sri Lanka in Christchurch and Australia meet England in Melbourne on the opening day of ICC Cricket World Cup 2015 to be jointly hosted by Australia and New Zealand from February 14 to March 29th. India need to be more disciplined, says bowling coach. India's bowling coach, that is Bharat Arun, has ruled his bowler in constituency, saying that they needed to be more disciplined. Australian plundered the Indian bowler and reached 348 for 2 at stumps on one day, one of the fourth and the final test at the Sydney Cricket Ground here on Tuesday. Good pitch and poor fielding help Australia, says Mr. Warner. Australian opener David Warner on Tuesday said that a good pitch coupled with Indians' poor bowling and fielding helped him score his third 100 of the series and place Australia as a commanding 348 for 2 at stump on day 1 of the fourth and final cricket test here. Whereas now boxer Vijayendra wants to try his luck for Padma Bhushan, with Saina Nehwal getting the sports ministry recommendation for the Padma Bhushan after furor over her nomination being rejected. Star Indian boxer, that is Vijayendra Singh, also threw his hat in the ring for the civilian honor, but insisted he won't be hurt in a case of the rejection. Clear to return in World Cup without match practice, recuperating from a hamstring injury. Australian batsman, that is Michael Clarke, has been cleared to make his return to international cricket during the upcoming World Cup without a practice match under his belt. Let's have a look on today's stock market. Sensex for today stand with 26,987.46 with a minus 3.07%, whereas Nifty for today stand with 8,127.35 with a decline of minus 3.00%. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Gold, today's gold rates, that is Tuesday 6th of Jan 2015, are as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams at rupees 26,210, whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams at rupees 27,720. Silver rates for today for 10 grams at rupees 390. Let's have a look on today's weather forecast of 5 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 15 degrees Celsius and maximum 27 degrees Celsius. Mahbubnagar minimum temperature 20 degrees Celsius and maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius and maximum 28 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 13 degrees Celsius and maximum 25 degrees Celsius. Whereas today's minimum temperature of Medak district stand with 15 degrees Celsius and maximum 27 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. HRD Minister, that is Smriti Irani, stresses on need for securing dignity of labor. Sunanda Pushkar death stunned by Delhi police murder claims, says Shashi Tharoor. Say hello to Dubai's latest world record, a 5-kilometer long handmade gold chain. KTR leaves to Kerala to attend meet. Coal strike may not have much impact on production, says Singarani Collieries. Harish wants airport at Kottagudam. That's all in the newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. This is your host Ikram Imani, sign off for the day. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.